Welcome to The True Lesson. Hello friends, let's solve the question number 3 from exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. Let's see the question first. Our question is, if sin A equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Let's solve it. First of all, sin A is given and cos A and tan A we have to find. For this, we will draw right triangle first, triangle ABC. Which is right angle at vertex B. Let's decide the sides for angle A. Because we are studying the trigonometric ratios for acute angle A, no? Sin A, cos A, tan A. So let's decide the sides according to angle A. Now we know that side opposite to angle A is perpendicular, means BC will be a perpendicular. Side adjacent to angle A is a base, it means AB is a base. And side opposite to right angle is always hypotenuse, means AC will be a hypotenuse, correct? In our question, since sin A is given, sin A is equals to 3 by 4, no? And what is the formula for trigonometric ratio sin A? Let's draw that small table here. What was the table? PBP and HHP, correct? So, for sine, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? For sin A, BC. And which is hypotenuse? AC, correct? So, BC upon AC equals to 3 by 4. Now, to solve this, we will take BC as 3K and AC as 4K. Since we can see here, no, BC upon AC is 3 by 4. That is, ratio of BC and AC is 3 by 4. So we will take BC as 3K and AC as 4K. What is K here? K is any positive number. For ratio, we can take a positive number and decide the sides BC 3K and AC 4K. Now we know the value of BC 3K and we know the value of AC, which is 4K. What about the third side? We will solve it. And how can we find the third side in a right triangle? By applying Pythagoras theorem, as we discussed in our previous videos. So in triangle ABC, if we are applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, which is a hypotenuse AC, which is a perpendicular BC, and which will be a base AB square. Okay, now let's write the values. AC is 4K, BC is 3K, and we have to find AB. Take the square. 4K square will be 16K square. 3K square will be 3 3s are 9K square plus AB square. Transfer 9K square that side. We will get 16K square minus 9K square equals to AB square. Now 16 minus 9, it will be 7K square equals to AB square. Now what about the AB? We will take square root both the sides and will get root 7K equals to AB. Got it? So in this way, by applying Pythagoras theorem, we will get the value of third side, which is AB, root 7K. We can write here AB root 7K in the diagram. Now what is the question? Find cos A and tan A, no? So apply the formula cos A. According to this table, base upon hypotenuse, which is a base AB. which is a hypotenuse AC. Put the values of AB and AC here. We'll get root 7k upon 4k. K and k get cancelled. Our answer will be root 7 upon 4. Correct? Now let's write our second answer. 10a. 10a is formula we can write from this table, perpendicular upon base. So write here perpendicular upon base. What is a perpendicular? BC, and base is AB. So write here BC upon AB. BC is 3k and AB is root 7k. K and k get cancelled. Our ratio will be 3 by root 7. Here in our question, cos A and tan A they are asking for. If any other trigonometric ratio they are asking, like cot A, cosec A, sec A, we can also find that, no? Only by knowing the three sides of right triangle, we can calculate all the trigonometric ratios. So guys, I hope it is clear. In our next lecture, we will discuss more questions. Till then, revise this. Thank you. Bye-bye. For more such videos, just subscribe our channel, The Truth Lesson. Comment us, and for further notification, just hit the bell icon.